Good morning, blind sniper, aka the goat. Look, I'm finally got my stock in, my Boyd stock. I love it. It's beautiful stock. Right here, it's gold and black. Oh, well, excuse me, gray and black. It's called peppered, I guess is what it's called. It's like a two-tone. This is my B22 I put in here because I was having trouble with it. It was shooting good to begin with. No issues, got a bull barrel, stainless steel. I had a good scope on it. It's set up with the same bipod. It was shooting fantastic. Then all of a sudden one day I come out here and I couldn't hit the side of a barn with it. So go figure. I can't figure that one out. But now I got the Athlon on here. It's the 8x34. I got my Boyd stock, the B22 rifling in it. I'm hitting bullseye on the end down there. It's gathering, got good groups. Each group is a half-inch group. So I'm satisfied with it right now. But now I've only tried standard velocity and a hollow point subsonic. I just brought it out here to try it out, to get the scope zeroed in, because I changed the scopes out, took the other scope off, put this one on here, and I knew they weren't gonna hit the same place, which they didn't. They were a long ways off from each other. So I got it zeroed in. I zeroed it with standard velocity, hit bullseye every time. Subsonic hollow point, shoots to the right, a little bit down, but all of them hit the same spot, the same group. So I can't ask for anything better than that. All I can say is that everything's going good. I'm working 12-hour shifts now. We went from 6 days to 12-hour shifts. So I'm tired. I'm gonna call this a short one. I'm gonna get in the house, get me some rest. I worked last night, just got off a while ago. I had to run to the grocery store, get a few things, so I have some lunch to take to work with me. Because I got to get my tail to bed and get up so I can go on to work again. But God bless you, God take care of you. But the Savage B22 in the stainless steel action with stainless steel barrel, bull barrel, heavy barrel, along with Athlon 8x34. Got my bipod on here. The only thing that I got to look at, this magazine is very tight to get in there. Now, I looked up about the torque specs on this stock, and I was way off on the torque specs. I had to go way up, and it said that would cause the magazine not to lock in good if it was too low. I had it set at 25, and they suggested I go 35 to 40. Well, I finally went up to 40 eventually. And it clicks in, but it's still hard. I had to put a lot of pressure on it. So I got to I'm gonna take it out, look at it, and see if there's any debris or anything in the stock that needs to be cleaned out. Now, this was a used stock, but I'm telling you now, I don't see a thing wrong with it. It looks brand new to me. And who had it evidently didn't like it, didn't use it or something. I don't get it. But the guy made me a deal I couldn't refuse, because I got it dirt cheap for Boyd. And on top of that, when I asked him could he sell it a little bit cheaper, he said nah. He said, because if it don't sell for this price, I'm gonna hand it down to my son or either my grandson. So that told me right there this thing was in great shape, because anybody hand anything down in their family, they usually make sure it's right. So that's where I stand right now with the B22. It's doing good. I'm gonna put it up, leave it just like it is. I'm not messing with nothing on it right now. I'm not even gonna turn my turrets to zero yet. I'm gonna wait and till I try some more ammo out and see how this thing does and see what's the best for it. Now, I'm not gonna try, I might try a little bit of Ely, but I'm not shooting to go with much Ely, because I'm telling you right now, the standard velocity and the hollow point subsonic is fantastic in here right now, and that's cheap. All right, this is Blind Sniper. Take care, God bless you, God loves you, so do I. Later.